Assalamu alaikum, नमस्कार and a big hello to everyone. आज मैं आपको कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे बात करने वाली हूँ. This is causing deaths in road accidents. So I wanted to share some important topic on this. Recent deaths are more tragic. आपको मालूम ही होगा कि बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ सीट बेल्ट ना पहनने की वजह से कितने एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट रिमाइंडिंग टू बकल अप. Recent tragic deaths happened due to not wearing seat belts. They draw attention to the fact that more than 95% of front seat passengers and more than 99% of back seat passengers are not wearing seat belt while driving on highway. क्यों नहीं पहनते हैं सीट बेल्ट? When you are driving in highway, you are supposed to wear seat belt. इससे आपकी जान बच सकती है. So people only exercise caution for few days after the incident. After that, people stop taking measures as the memory of occurrence faded. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. So what I am trying to say is wear seat belt, save life of yours, others and your family members. Everyone should wear seat belts for your own protection. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking. Take care. This is Nafisa Begum signing off. Bye-bye.